In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record video in Google Slides. Recording a video while presenting your slides can significantly enhance your presentations by allowing you to add personal commentary or explanations that can help impress your audience. Let's go through this process step by step, ensuring that everything is clear and easy to follow. First, let's head over to Google Slides. To do this, simply open your web browser and navigate to the Google Slides website. If you haven't done so already, you'll want to sign into your Google account. This is essential because it gives you access to all your saved presentations and the tools you'll need to complete this tutorial. Once you're logged in, you should see the Google Slides homepage where all your presentations are listed. The next step is to search for a feature called Record to Slides. Open a new tab in your browser and perform a Google search for Record to Slide. This search should lead you to the Chrome Web Store, where you can find various tools and extensions designed to work with Google Slides. Once you're on the search results page, look for a link titled Record to Slides Chrome Web Store. Click on it and it will take you directly to the Chrome Web Store page for this particular extension. Here you'll find more detailed information about the extension, user reviews, and a visual overview of what it looks like and how it functions. On this page you'll see an option to add the extension to your browser. Go ahead and click on Add to Chrome. You may be prompted to confirm the addition of this extension. Confirm it, and the extension will be installed in your browser. You'll notice a small icon representing the extension, usually located near the upper right corner of your browser, next to your other extension icons. Now that the extension is successfully added, you can start recording your Google Slides presentations. The extension will allow you to capture your screen along with your webcam and audio, providing a comprehensive video recording experience directly from Google Slides. By following these instructions, you've set up everything you need to enhance your presentations by adding video recordings. This will enable you to deliver detailed walkthroughs, lectures, or any type of presentation in a more engaging and personal way. Thanks for watching, and happy recording.